This video is a tutorial on how to use PDF Forms Filler for Contact Form 7. You can use this plugin in conjunction with Contact Form 7 to create website forms based on PDF forms and get PDF files automatically filled and embedded with images. This tutorial will go over features available in the plugin, its potential uses, how to work with PDF files and their options, map fields, embed images, use the tag generator, handle multiple files, fill using dynamically generated data, embed pictures and signatures, how the plugin works in the back end and how to do plugin installation. The plugin adds a PDF form tag generator button to the Contact Form 7 admin interface. The tag generator interface provides the four main features: the PDF attachment and configuration tool, the field mapper tool, the image embedding tool and the tag generator tool. The PDF attachment and configuration tool allows you to upload your PDF files and configure their options. The field mapper tool allows you to create mappings between your Contact Form 7 fields and PDF fields. When the Contact Form 7 form is submitted by your user, the input data will be filled into your PDF file in accordance with the field mappings created using the Field Mapper tool. The Image Embedding tool allows you to set up an image to be embedded in the PDF file. The image will be downloaded from the URL or copied from the file attachment provided by the web form user with the Contact Form 7 field. The tag generator tool is another way to create field mappings. However, unlike the field mapper tool, it saves its mapping information within the Contact Form 7 tag names. You can use this plugin to set up your website form to automatically fill your PDF file and attach it to a Contact Form 7 email message. The potential uses are numerous, such as auto-filling hiring applications, rental applications, registration forms, certificates, estimates and quotes, contracts and government forms. Advanced configurations can be achieved by combining this plugin with other plugins that extend the functionality of Contact Form 7, such as embedding signatures and dynamically generated data. This plugin will not work with PDF files that have no form fields. Before you attach a PDF file, make sure it contains form fields. There are many software packages that allow you to add fields into your PDF file. Upload your PDF file using the attachment feature. Once the process is done, you can configure the file options by clicking the Options button. You can use the skip option to have the PDF file not be attached when none of its fields are to be filled. Contact Form 7 can send out 2 email messages. It is possible to configure your attachment preferences in the options list. You can also specify if you would like the PDF file to be flattened. This will make the filled PDF form uneditable. You can remove the PDF file by clicking the Delete button. Please note that removing the file from the attachment list does not delete it from your media library. When you remove a file, some of its associated field mappings and image embeds will be removed as well. If you re-upload a file with a changed field name, be sure to update the field mapping, otherwise, the new field will no longer be filled. Mapping fields can be done using 3 different methods. You can manually create a Contact Form 7 tag, open the PDF form tag generator thickbox, select the new tag field and the PDF field from the dropdowns and click the Add Mapping button. You can also have the plugin generate the tag for you. Once you select the PDF field from the dropdown, a new tag will be generated. You can then click the Insert and Link button to have the new tag automatically inserted into the form and linked to the given PDF field. The third method is to insert and link all the unmapped PDF fields at the same time by clicking the Insert and Link All button. To delete a mapping, simply click the Delete button next to it. Mappings added via the tag generator tool cannot be deleted using this method and must be deleted manually from the form. Contact Form 7 fields can be mapped to multiple PDF fields, however, only one PDF field can have a mapping. Once you create a mapping for a PDF field, it will disappear from the PDF field list. Embedding images requires additional preparation. Depending on your requirements, you may want to install and use other plugins. First, create a tag that, upon form submission, will contain either a URL or provide a file. As an example, we will use the input tag. Once your tag is created, access the PDF form thickbox and add an embed. Be sure to select the right field name and the desired page you want the image to appear on. You will then need to set the location and the size of the bounding box where the image will be embedded. You can use the visual selection tool or enter the setting manually. If you want the embedded image to appear on all pages as a stamp, you can select the All option in the Page dropdown. Due to PDF pages potentially having different sizes, you will not be able to set the location and the size of the embedded image for stamp embeds. Please note that the embedded images will be scaled to the size of the bounding box and be placed at the bottom left corner, so make sure you take this into account when you are considering your bounding box dimensions and placement. The Tag Generator tool is the original way this plugin handled mapping. It is deprecated in favor of the Field Mapper tool, however, it can still be used. First, you need to generate tags by clicking the Get Tags button. To insert tags into your form, simply click the Insert Tags button. The tag name contains information about which PDF file and field it is mapped to. Tags created using this method cannot be mapped to multiple PDF fields. When you make changes to your form, field mappings or image embeds, the form is not saved automatically. You must click the Save button to save your changes. It is possible to attach multiple PDF files to a single contact form. The Field Mapper and the Tag Generator tools provide a way for you to either map to all PDF fields with the same name or set a mapping to individual PDF files. While in the Field Mapper tool, if you select a PDF field without a prepended attachment ID, the mapping will be applied to all PDF files. However, if you select a PDF field with a prepended attachment ID, the mapping will only be applied to that specific PDF file. While in the Tag Generator tool, you have an option between generating tags that apply to all PDF files and generating tags that apply to only a specific PDF file. Please note that when you create mappings or generate tags for a specific attachment ID, you will lose the mappings when you remove the attachment from the form. Sometimes your requirements include filling data that is not provided by a user. For example, you may want to fill the current date into your PDF field. The following is a demonstration of such a use case. First, we will need to install two additional plugins. We will install Contact Form 7 Dynamic Text Extension and Shortcode for current date. Once the plugins are installed, we will add a Contact Form 7 tag that uses the current date shortcode. We will then map the tag name to the required PDF field. You can use a similar technique with other kinds of dynamic data. You can also combine other plugins with the Image Embedding tool. For this example, we will embed user-provided signature into the PDF file. We will need to install the Contact Form 7 Signature add-on plugin. This plugin adds the signature tag and widget to Contact Form 7. We will add the signature tag into the form and create an image embed. Please note that the signature field dimensions need to be similar to the image embedding bounding box dimensions. Upon form submission, the plugin provides a URL of the signature image in the Contact Form 7 field. The Image Embedding tool will detect it, download the image and embed it into the PDF file. The plugin stores field mappings and image embeds in attachments metadata. It uses Contact Form 7 hooks to save mapping data, fill and attach PDF files. All PDF operations are done using one of the available services. There are two PDF services that can be used. By default, the plugin uses PDF.Ninja API to perform PDF operations. Your PDF files are uploaded and temporarily cached on the API server, then filled on demand and downloaded back to your web server before being attached to Contact Form 7 email messages. There is also an add-on plugin available for enterprise users, who may be interested in keeping data in-house. The add-on plugin, also known as the Enterprise extension, is installed in addition to the main plugin. It uses local binaries to perform all PDF operations directly on your web server. Some users will not be able to use the Enterprise extension plugin due to hosting their WordPress installation with hosting providers that have a very restrictive hosting environment. When the main plugin is initially installed, it configures itself by requesting a new API key from the PDF.Ninja API server. You can find your key on the integration page under the Contact Form 7 menu in WordPress admin. The integration page will also tell you if Enterprise extension is supported on your server. The PDF.Ninja API has a free tier and a pro tier. The default tier for a new key is free. If you like the plugin, please consider upgrading your key or buying the Enterprise extension. You can install the plugin in your WordPress admin panel either by searching for it on the Add Plugins page or by installing it from a zip file which can be downloaded from the WordPress plugins directory. Please note that the Contact Form 7 plugin is a required dependency. Installing the Enterprise extension can be done by uploading its zip file on the Add Plugins page. The zip file can be obtained from the Maximum.Software store. Due to the Enterprise extension using local binaries to work with PDF files, it is recommended that you install the listed dependencies. The Enterprise extension has a built-in update functionality which seamlessly integrates with the WordPress plugin update feature. Once you have the plugins installed, you will later be able to update them directly from the WordPress admin interface by clicking the Update button on the plugins page. This concludes the video tutorial. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the plugin forum linked below. Happy PDF filling!